Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Sign into your Apple ID and verify your payment methods match that account. Open Settings and tap your name to view payment and shipping details. Confirm your device region matches the card issuer region in Settings because mismatched regions block Apple Pay. Check that your Apple ID has no unpaid balances or unresolved purchases. Restart your device after you sign out and sign back into Apple ID. Then return to Wallet and try adding confirm the card supports Apple Pay and is not expired or reported lost. Look at the card details and verify the billing address matches the address on file with the bank exactly. Call the bank to ensure they allow digital wallet enrollment on that card and to clear any fraud hold. If the bank requires verification, complete any identity checks or security steps they provide. After bank confirmation, attempt to add the card in Wallet again. Update iOS to the latest version and check for carrier updates before retrying. Turn off VPN or firewall apps that may block secure connections to payment servers. Reset network settings if Wallet still fails, because this clears problematic DNS or proxy settings. Sign out of iCloud and sign back in as a next step to refresh Wallet services. If the card still cannot be added, contact Apple support with screenshots and any error codes. Follow their guided steps to resolve the issue.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.